If you're looking for a functional, compact SUV with reliability and safety for your whole family, then take a look at this 2022 Jeep Compass Limited in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl. With LED reflector headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross path detection, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 34,000 miles in the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, SELEC-TERRAIN System, Remote Start System, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 91246A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.